everybody, welcome back to Beth Unboxes. I'm Beth, and today we are going to check out the October Macy's Beauty Box. And we have afternoon sun. Sorry about the light changing. If you are not familiar with the Macy's Beauty Box, it is a monthly subscription that Macy's puts out for $15 a month. You're going to get any range of products that are sold in the Macy's Beauty department. Generally, we will get 5 products and usually a surprise item. The products can be anywhere from perfume samples, hair care, full-size products, who knows. So this is the October box. The Macy's box is a good subscription if you're looking for one for just sampling different kinds of products for not a lot of money. It is only $15 a month, so it's not terrible, and you do sometimes get some really good products in here. Some months are kind of duds, but lately they've been doing really well, so I can't wait to see what's inside here. It does have a glued down top. Oh, I'm sorry, I forgot it's perforated. I can tear the perforation, theoretically. We'll see. I did tear the perforation. All right, so we have our pink tissue paper. The box does completely unfold once you get it unstuck. And this is usually much tighter. Ooh, stuff is falling out. I'm just going to pull the paper off because it's not wrapped. So there's our tissue paper. We've got a bunch of good stuff in here, I think. Okay. Oh! We got my favorite product. Okay, well, not my very favorite product, but one of my very favorite products, and I'm very excited to get it. So we're just going to start with that. So this is a Lancome. I can already tell without opening it. This is their lash primer, and this size, I think, sells for like $10 or $15 on Lancome, but it is a mascara base. It is white, which I love because you can see where you put it. You put it on before your mascara, just let it dry, and it helps build your lashes. I absolutely love this, and I'm sorry if the light keeps adjusting. I'm going to try to keep it level, but we'll do the best we can. But this is amazing. This, for me, is worth the entire box. I don't even care what else is in it. I love this one. I have literally almost bought this from Macy's for whatever the $10 or $15 it sells for to have another one because they're so good, and the full size is kind of pricey, but this size is a good one. And if you get a small one, they don't dry out as fast as a big one will. So very cool. My favorite. Love it. All right, next. Ooh, so fancy. We got MAC lipstick little samples. And those are the colors we got. And it came with applicator, which is nice. So this is the Nouveau Vivid Sleek Satin Lipsticks Rouge Levure. Rouge Levure is in French. Anyway, I don't know. I don't speak French. But it is perforated. And if you can get it open all the way. Okay, so it has the information for the lipsticks on the card. This is what your sample looks like. I'm not going to swatch any of this because once you start it, it's really kind of hard to keep track of. But we have Truth Be Untold is this color. We have Rebel is the kind of purpley color. And we have Cream in Your Coffee is this color. So these are the shades they should be, which is 2 shades of kind of brown and a really pretty kind of eggplant purpley color. Super excited for that. These are great colors for fall. You get to try MAC lipsticks, which are like 20 bucks a piece if you buy them, and you can try the colors. And there's enough in here for 2 or 3 at least applications per color. So that's really nice. Moving on. We've got a teensy-weensy little Bobbi Brown, and this is Vitamin Enriched Face Base. So we have a little teeny primer from Bobbi Brown, but I will say one of my very favorite primers was a little Bobbi Brown sample, so I'm excited to get this. This is a little 7 mil, so 1/4 of an ounce. That's actually a good size little sample. That's actually a good size little sample for a 1/4 ounce little primer. So it's a full little tube, and it's a good size tube. So there's enough in here for a couple weeks if you use it every day. So that's great. But there's more. Okay, so I'm going to switch gears from the box products to what I think is our surprise item. So this is reusable eye patches. So you would stick these in the fridge and stick them under. Now, I saw somebody do this. No, that definitely will not work. With flipping around how you wear your disposable eye patches, but these are not disposable. And you can put them under to get rid of puffies. If you wanted to, you could put your eye treatment on and then get these cold and put it on over it, kind of just settle on there. Keep your eyes depuffing while those products settle in your skin. So that's a nice, this is our free sample. I say free because it's in addition to what they would consider the box items. In our free products in the past, we've gotten makeup bags, I've gotten hair bows, pullback hair clips for when you're doing your makeup, all kinds of stuff. So you never know what you're going to get, and that's kind of a nice one. All right, so next we have still a few more products in here, 3 more actually. We'll pull out this one because I cannot tell. Aha! Ooh, Giorgio Armani. The last Giorgio Armani sample we got, the product in the sample size was $70 worth of product. So I will have to check and see. This is the Cream Nera, and this is a reviving cream, and this is a 5 ml size. So that's a very decent sample size for this box. I guarantee you this product is worth as much or more than this box cost. So we have our little Giorgio Armani Cream Nera. I will put here in the corner what the full size is versus this, because I can't wait to see what the product value is for this little pot of cream. But for a 5 ml, you get a couple uses out of it. Not enough to see miracles on your face, but enough to know if you like it or not. And if you already use this product, gives you a sample size to take on traveling or whatever you need to do away from home, so you don't take your big pot of cream with you. So very nice. All right, next we have 2 more products. The next one is Smashbox, which is a primerizer. So is this actually 2 separate primers? Is this one? Yeah. These are both primers. This one's a primer and a moisturizer, and this one's just the primer. But it's a hydrating primer. So they sent us kind of duplicate products from 2 different brands. So we got the Bobbi Brown moisturizing primer, and we got the Smashbox moisturizing primer. So I guess you can do one side of your face with one on the other and see which one you like better. But we got 2 primers in this box. Our next product is, and our last one is Bumble and Bumble Hairdresser Invisible Oil. So we have hair oil from Bumble and Bumble, and this is a heat protective primer. So you would put this on before you, as a heat protecting product. So it gives you a good sample. Now I know Bumble and Bumble is not crazy expensive, but the full size of this is probably $15, $20, or maybe even closer to $30. I don't know. I'll put here in the corner what the full size of this would be. So our sample products for this box are our 2 primers. We got my Lancome Lash Booster. We got MAC lipsticks. We got Giorgio Armani cream, and we got a Bumble and Bumble hair product. So we got six sample products plus I've got trash. Plus our little free sample. So we got our free surprise extra item. That's really good for $15, especially, I promise you this, way more than the cost of the box. This is very nearly, if not the cost of the box. Plus you get the others in the MAC lipsticks with the little applicator, which is nice. So win on this box. If you are interested in subscribing to the Macy's box, I will leave the link in the description below. I will give you a heads up. As far as I know, it is still the case that if you order this month, which is October, you will not get your first box until December. There's a month in between when you order and when you get. I'm not sure why, but that's how it's been. If you order and it's not still doing that, please, please, please let me know and give me the update. I would appreciate your help. But I want to thank you so much for watching this Macy's unboxing with me, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye.